మహేష్ అందరూ వచ్చారా?
కొంతమంది ఆబ్సెంట్ ఉన్నారు, చూసి ఫాలో పెట్టాలి సార్. నేను లేను.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you.
లంచ్ బ్రేక్ తర్వాత
Yesterday, what were you doing, Nana?
We did some problems, sir.
Yes, basing on that electric field force and
In field of motion of charges in field.
some problem from exercise we also have done. Audible, Ra?
Yes, sir.
We have done this 16, 17, 18 yesterday. Check it out. Or not? Hello. Hello.
Yes,
17th we didn't do, sir.
16 we have done.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
17, 18.
Done.
Done, sir.
It's sir.
We done all the three problems. Hello.
18th we didn't do, sir.
18 we have not done.
No, sir. We did, sir. No, we did it yesterday.
This one, Ra.
We did,
Yes,
sir.
we did,
we
sir.
did, sir.
We did.
Then somebody telling no, we have not done. We did it na yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we did it.
Right. Okay. You have done this one, na? Most of the charger part in uniform electric field.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then you have to go for null point and field is zero and superposition of electric fields. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
What is null point? Same like in magnetic field. Net magnetic field is zero. Then the point is zero, force point, or what you call zero, the null point, net field will be zero. Here also. Then single charge. Suppose I have taken a charge Q1 here at some distance. Then we have a what do you call electric field. What do you call? We are having the formula for electric field as is K into.
So just one doubt, sir. So we don't have motion for this weekend's test now, sir.
What wrong?
For this weekend's test, we don't have a
This weekend means this Sunday no test na anyway.
no test, sir.
Hmm.
Next Sunday, sir.
And next Sunday have na syllabus na with you.
Yes, sir. In that only until null point or neutral point is there, sir.
Null point and neutral point and equilibrium also there. Check it out.
Yes, sir.
Equilibrium also there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They mentioned in the syllabus. So what the syllabus they told?
Sir, basically from the beginning to null point and neutral
You
point.
have it with you, that syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check it out. Force due to multiple charges, principle of superposition examples, equilibrium of system of charges. System of charges means not only single charge, everybody, we told na?
Multiple, yes, sir.
Electric field intensity definition, electric due to isolated charge, electric due to multiple charges, null points and related numericals. So all are there. And it is an application, most of a charged particle is an application in uniform electric field only, na?
Yes, sir.
Right, come here.
So it's there, sir.
Yes, it is there.
Okay.
That's why we discussed the problem yesterday only, na?
That's why I got also like it's after null point is there, sir. That topic.
Anywhere, before or after, electric field is there, we done the application, that's it.
Okay,
Let
sir.
us see. A single charge is there at any point in the space, in any direction. Then suppose there is a point P here, which is at a distance, let us say R. Then it will have what you call field this much magnitude. If it is a plus charge, field will be away from it now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If it is a minus charge, field will be.
Towards it.
So from the charge towards the point because of first charge. If it is a negative charge, from the point
Towards the charge.
field is away from a positive charge towards a
Negative charge.
negative charge. So this is unbalanced field. It cannot be zero. It has a specific value, specific what you call direction also. Na?
Yes, sir.
So it cannot be zero. That means single charge, isolated charge or single charge cannot produce zero field. That means minimum of how many charges required? Two charges. Similarly, single force cannot keep the particle in equilibrium. Minimum how many forces? Two. And they must be what you call
Equal.
and opposite in
Opposite direction.
similarly. So minimum is two charges to have equilibrium. Maximum is infinity. 3, 4, 5, 10, anything. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then in such case, let us say I have one more charge Q2 here. These two are separated by a distance, let us say R. Then assume both are plus, both are minus, we have some possibilities. Okay, then we'll check the possibilities. If let us say both are plus and plus charges, then at some suitable point, let us see here P, which is at a distance X from here, and this will be how much, Sana?
R minus 6.
Then this will produce a field away from it. This also will produce away. They are equal in what you call opposite in direction. If the magnitudes are equal, then that can be null point. It can be a minus charge. It can be a minus charge. Then field is towards the charge. Field is towards the charge. This can be E2. This can be. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is a combination of plus and minus, let us say plus, minus. Then in between the line joining any point, field is away, field is towards. Null point cannot be obtained. Then null point will be obtained at what you call inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside.
So both are similar charges. Null point will be in between.
Inside.
So this is out, and this is X, which will be how much? R plus X. Then if you observe, due to this charge, field is away. Due to this charge, field is
Towards.
So these are what direction?
Opposite.
So null point is obtained outside or inside?
Outside.
Always we are taking Q1 is less than how much? Q2.
Q2.
Mod means don't consider the sign. That sign indicates whether null point will be inside or
Outside.
So both are similar charges. Null point will be in between. Both are dissimilar charge. It will be outside, and always null pointed location is we are defining from the charge of smaller magnitude. That is always we are assuming Q1 is less than how much?
Q2.
Then it is a null point. That means at this point net field will be how much? 0. Therefore, we can say E1 bar plus E2 bar will be 0 bar. This implies both the fields, what E1, E2 are what do you call opposite vectors, are what do you call as the sum is how much?
0.
0, negative vectors. Therefore, K into Q1 by X square equal to K into Q2 by, when can I write R minus extra?
Between.
Between. When I write R plus extra?
Outside.
Outside the
Outside. No, therefore, I can have Q1 by X square equal to Q2 by, on solving this, X will be R by under root of, just like as a 40, that only, plus or minus 1. Plus is used if Q1, Q2 are
Similar.
minus 1 will use Ra.
Dissimilar charges.
So, for similar charges, null point will be in between. For dissimilar charges, null point will be, what do you call?
Outside.
Understood, Anna? Everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Copy this one.
Done, sir.
Will be done.
Yes, sir.
This page done. Hello.
1 minute.
Done, sir.
Please let me know if you are done, Anna, everybody.
Done, sir.
Done, everybody?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, how many fields are in this example? One field or two fields?
2 fields.
So, net field will be how much?
0.
0. So, if you are using the principle of what you call superposition principle, then net field 0 means what do you call as if Q1, Q2, so many charges are there. Let us say, for example, we are taking, we'll go with first easy for you. Let us see. We are taking a square. All are Q, means plus Q only. Then by default, null point will be at center because this will produce a field E away, this also away, this also away, this also. Each has a magnitude E. So this point will be which point?
Null point. Null point.
If you take a triangle, that means equilateral triangle. Okay. Then here is Q, here is Q, here is Q. Then if you take the centroid, one field is like this, one field is like this, one. How many fields are there? 3 fields. Their vector sum can be how much? 0. How? One is like this, one is like this, one is like this. E don't say E bar because all the directions are not same. So then this also can be called as which point, Nana?
Null point.
Okay. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We'll do some problem basing on electric field. Then you will get an idea, clear cut. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana? This one, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next one?
Okay, sir.
Please. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us say we have taken what you call just like the force here also on x-axis, y-axis. This is origin. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8, so on. Each are having charge q, all are plus charges up to infinity charge. So many charges are there. I want what is the net electric field at origin is how much. So how many charges are there? So many charges are there. What we have to do? We have to find out the direction and magnitude, add them vectorially because each one is a vector. Then it is a plus charge at this point, field is away. Na?
Yes, sir.
These are also plus away from the charge, away from. All are in what direction, Anna?
Same direction.
So it is a simple geometric sum into minus I cap only, na?
Yes, sir.
So E net will be E1 plus E2 so many n charges into how much? Ra?
Minus I.
Minus I can.
So what is E1? I will common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. 1 by 1 square because the point is from this charge at a distance of 1 meter. From this charge at a distance of how much?
2 meters.
From this charge at a distance of how much?
4 meters.
So 1 by 2 square plus 1 plus into minus. So it is q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. It is geometric series only, no?
Yes, sir.
So a by 1 minus r, no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So q by 3 pi epsilon naught into minus. Got it now, everybody? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happens if alternate are plus and minus? In the same situation, x, y, I want at the origin, plus q, minus q, plus q, minus q, so on. 1, 2, 4, 8, so on. Then, plus will produce away, minus will produce towards, again plus will produce away, minus will produce how much? How these are?
Opposite in time.
Opposite.
So first who will dominate? This only will dominate, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then net electric field will be E due to 1 minus E due to 2 plus E due to 3 so on overall into
Minus I.
I can.
because first one is strongest field. Correct? So in
Yes.
this one q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 1 square
Minus.
minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 square so on into 4 pi epsilon 1 minus 1 by 4 plus. So what is this value? A by 1 minus 1. Got it? So q by 5 pi epsilon. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy, Nana, this one.
Sir, we did this before.
Hello.
Sir, we already did these, no, sir.
We are not done. We have done force now. Hello.
Yes, sir, yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
We have done force, Coulombic force, not field. Q1, Q2 by R square. Q1 is there, Q2 is not there. That's in place of Q2. What will put unit positive charge only to get the field.
Yes.
Done, everybody?
1 minute, sir.
1 second.
Completed, sir.
Done, everybody?
1 second.
Done.
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
All of you done, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
It says 2. Where is electrical started? Yeah, here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Neutron means charge is 1 only. Alpha particle means charge is 2e. This is 1e. Okay. R put what you call 1 angstrom, 10 power minus a part. Electric field intensity due to neutron at alpha particle. Okay. Hello. So this is neutron, this is alpha particle. So at its own location, alpha particle cannot produce the field. Who will produce it? Neutron. Therefore, what is the distance r? So Q1 is 1e. At this point, I want electric field. What is the electric field intensity formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. You can do it now. 16 into 10 power minus 20 by r square. So 144 into. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Distance is 1 angstrom. You see, a charge Q1 is there, Q2 is there. Then at the location of Q2, Q2 cannot produce because at its own location R becomes 0. R 1 by R square becomes infinite, means we cannot define. So if I am a charge at my own place, I cannot produce field. At any space in around the space, at any point I can produce. At my own location, it is infinite, means I cannot produce. That means it is meaningless. Got it?
Yes.
So at the location of alpha particle, this person, who will produce? This will produce.
Deuterium.
At the location of deuteron, who will produce?
Alpha.
Alpha particle.
Now, due to deuteron, at the location of alpha particle, field is away from deuteron because deuteron is a plus charge.
Yes, sir.
Then, due to alpha particle at the location, field is in what direction? What direction? See, this is deuteron. Then, at the location of deuteron, who will produce?
Alpha particle
Alpha particle.
towards
Direction. Direction.
Towards deuterium.
towards deuterium.
Left one. Because plus charge. So, plus will plus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next problem basing on that only. Observe here. 2 pointers Q and minus 3Q are placed electric field at the location of Q. Who is
Minus
E?
3Q.
And the location of Q. At this point, field is E bar. At this point, who will produce field?
Minus.
That means this E is nothing but due to this person only, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Then E is 1 by, let us say, R square. Okay. Then at this location, who will produce?
Plus Q.
Then direction?
Towards
Towards plus Q.
Direction towards right or left?
Left.
right side.
Why left?
Right.
E point field who produced 3Q. So this at this point field was due to minus 3Q means it will be towards the 3Q. At this point it cannot produce. Who will
Plus
produce? This one. Then with plus charge away from it, na? So both are in the same.
Direction.
But magnitude is, let us say, E dash equal to K into Q by R square. This I can write plus E bar by 3, can I write now?
Yes, sir.
Plus E bar by 3, can I write it?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because this is exactly 1/3 of this one.
Yes, sir.
And directions are coinciding, not coinciding.
Coincide.
Coinciding.
That's why the answer will take a plus or minus.
Plus.
Yes.
This will be. This cannot. Got it?
Yes.
Be careful. At the location of Q, minus 3Q will produce. Means from the point towards minus 3Q. At the location of 3Q, due to plus Q, from the charge towards the point. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it is plus E bar and final answer will be plus E bar by how much?
3.
3. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Next. This is very, very important. Observe carefully. Electric field at 30 centimeter due to a charge of minus 8 nanocoulomb at origin. So where is the charge located? Origin. Where is asking at some point? What is the coordinate of the point? 30. So at the origin, first what you will do is at the origin, you keep minus 8 nano. 30, 30 means first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
So what is this slant distance?
30√2.
So due to this charge Q, I want at this point what you call point P electric field. So what is electric field magnitude? K into Q by D square or R square. Okay. What is the distance you have to take? 30 or 30√2?
30√2.
So D equal to 30√2 into 10 power minus. What is the charge? 8 nanocoulomb, 8 into 10 power minus. So what is the electric field intensity calculator? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. 30 root 2 means how much? 900 into 2 into 10 power minus 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 minus 2 minus 9 minus 9. 10 power minus 2. 9 will go 4 times. 400 Newton per coulomb only, na?
Yes, sir.
But he not given what you call the magnitude vector form. Then what is the direction of this field at this point due to this charge? OP bar or PO bar? Hello?
PO bar
PO bar. Why PO bar only? This is which charge?
minus.
So minus charge field is towards. What is this angle? 45 na?
Yes, sir.
This also will be.
45.
Then this will be minus I cap, this will be minus J cap. Then we can say that electric field will be E into 1 by root 2 minus I cap plus E into 1 by root 2 minus J cap. Got it? So if you substitute, we got E 400 na?
Yes, yes, sir.
So minus 200 root 2 common. Got it? Hello. Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
If it is a plus charge, what will happen then?
Towards OP bar.
So the only one minus will change, na?
Yes, sir.
Then instead of minus 200, it will become plus 200 into I plus J.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Copied this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Rana? Vectors. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now, see 23rd one. Two charges, 4 into 10 power minus 9 minus 16. So dissimilar. Where is the null point? Inside or outside?
Outside.
Right. Then the position separate by 20 centimeters. The position of the null point from smaller charge. Which is smaller here?
Minus
Minus 16 into 10 to the power minus 9. 4 into 10 to the power minus 9.
That minus indicates the nature of the charge, not what you call minus means less. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So which is smaller? Q1 we have to take first one or second one?
First one. First one.
First one. These are similar charges or dissimilar charges?
Dissimilar charges.
Dissimilar. Null point will be in between or outside?
Outside.
Outside, na? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what? What is the formula for null point outside?
X plus 1.
R by plus 1 only?
Yes, sir.
Calculate. Do it, Nana. Don't take the negative sign into consideration. Got it? 3. 20 by 3, na?
Yes, sir.
From larger magnitude, from the other charge, 20 plus 20 by 3. How much? 80 by 3. Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
The number of electrons to put on a spherical conductor of radius this much to produce an electric field at the surface. Of course, it will come later, but we'll have a glance. So, sphere is there of radius r. Charge is q. He is asking what is the charge? Charge a number of elements. First, find out q. Q is equal to how much, and you can find out what is m. So, at the surface, given field. What is the field on the surface is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square only. It will come later, but just do it. Can you do this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Point 1 meter. Key electronic charge expand, find out m. Can you do it?
Yes, sir. Sir? Sir, we have null point formula, no, sir. Like x equals to r by root of q2 by q1 plus or minus 1. When we have to take plus 1 and when we have to take minus 1, sir. I got it, sir.
Done, Anna?
Yes, sir.
25. Magnitude of electric intensity at a distance x from a charge q is E. An identical charge is placed at a distance 2x from it. Then the magnitude of force experienced by it. Okay. Right. The charge q is there. At a distance x, field is E. At a distance how much? 2x from it, I kept a charge. Then this will experience how much? Then this person will produce field here, no?
Yes, sir.
Assume the field is E dash, already named E. Then the force will be charged into E dash only, no?
Yes, sir.
But what is actually E? K into Q by x square. What is E dash? K into Q by?
4x, sir.
But this is already
E.
So E dash is
E by 4.
therefore the force on this person is Q into. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood on everybody?
Yes, sir.
So EQ by 4. Done, Anna?
Yes, sir.
3 small spheres each having a positive charge Q at the circumference of a circle such as they are forming equal triangle. Then field intensity at center 0, na?
Yes, sir.
Just like this only, na?
Yes, sir.
Got it? It will come later, Nana, not here. It is another application. Okay? Hello. This part topic is later, not now, after Gauss-Law or at location of Gauss. Observe here. Charge of mass 50 gram is suspended by a string of some length. Electric field is acting vertically upwards. If the tension string is 520, then charge on the sphere is. Initially, what is the mass? 50 grams.
Yes, sir.
That means only charge was there. I don't know plus or minus. The weight is how much?
50.
Tension is assumed T1. And then T1 must be equal to mg. No?
Yes, sir.
What is the mass given?
50 grams.
50 grams.
G you take as 10. So I can say 500 millinewton.
Yes, sir.
Now, the same charge, weight is acting down. How the field is there? Field direction is vertically.
Upward. Upward.
So electric field is upward. Then the tension in the second case became how much?
520.
520 millinewton. Na?
Yes.
So here 500 only, here 520. So increased. Na?
Yes, sir.
Then this tension is increased, means this is already mg is 500. Then definitely EQ should be downward. Otherwise, it cannot be more than 500. See, this mg is already there. It is 520 means something should be added. Na?
Yes, sir.
So that means that extra force EQ is equal to how much? 520 minus 500. How much?
20.
20 millinewton. So what is the field intensity given? Five Newton per coulomb, na?
Yes, sir.
But I had to take as minus 4 millicoulomb, na? Why? Earlier tension was balanced by mg, weight is 500 only. Now tension became 520 means then the downward force also must be 20 Newton extra. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So electric field is upward. Then this must be how much? Downward. Then only 500 plus 20 will become 520. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it is a field is upward, electric force EQ is downward. Means this must be with charge, negative charge, na?
Yes, sir.
That's why you should take. You should not take plus is not accepted, which is n.
Minus.
Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Many people try na, no? Up to 36. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, na?
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.